I thought I'd come down to the river and do that catch and cook. Let's get into it. There we go. Got the saw guy in an egg bath mixed with red jalapeno garlic. Dude, if you haven't tried this, you should. And then I'm gonna dredge them in pork rinds that I've also have this red jalapeno. I have salt and pepper also in there, so got to keep it keto. Let's keep going. I got the pan getting hot right now. I'm getting ready to throw some avocado oil and some Kerrygold butter. We're getting ready to do this right, so we'll see y'all in a minute. All right, we got them on. Let's squirt some of these from the house. Ooh, that's hot. We'll give that a few minutes on that side, and then we'll flip them over. See you then. 3 low-carb soft shells with onion and tomato. I have some Kewpie mayonnaise, and I'm going to put this on it as well. Get ready to flip them. Let's do this without getting burnt. Oh, very hot, very hot. Oh, look at that! My goodness, we're getting ready to score big time. All right, be back in a minute. Oh man, just the finished product. I tasted a little bit of it, and then my goodness, people, I've done myself, I believe. Be back in a minute. Well, I've already put a little Kewpie mayonnaise on there. Now let's sprinkle some of this garlic jalapeno. And I'm trying to do this. I don't have my tripod with me because I'm slow, people. Y'all know that. All right, see what we got here. Oh man, I tell you what. Wow, that is awesome. This is the first meal I've had today, so it is scoring high on the taste buds. I know I'm a mess, but I don't care. Oh man, that jalapeno has just enough heat. That ain't no joke. If it tastes like crap, I'd tell you, but this is really good. All right, we got a couple more. All right, everybody, I'm sorry about the angle. This is all I got. And I wanted to share this next one with you. Check that out. It's about to get ugly again. So here we go. Oh man, I really love Kewpie mayonnaise. We never tried it, I'm telling you. And I'm telling you what, you better go out there to, got this at Sam's Club. This stuff is killer. Not overly hot, just enough heat, let you know it's there. And it got me all stuttered. I was so hungry. I still got another half a fish to eat. Only got one shell left. I gotta watch them carbs because they're like half a carb per wrap. I try not to eat a lot of processed stuff, but sometimes you just can't get away from it. So here we are. I'm gonna tell you, boys and girls. Don't get any fresher than that. Look at that heat coming off that. Oh. I'm in the shade. I got me a little canopy here, and Just kind of keeping the sun off of me right now. But I did bring rod and reel, so we might throw, see what happens. I'll see y'all in a little bit. All right, here's number 3. Check that out. I went a little heavier on the seasoning so I can see what how the heat goes. I don't mind the heat, but you don't know, it sneaks up on you. I don't mind telling you, I've got pretty good at filleting saugeye. This is my 3rd one this year, this season. 3rd one ever. They've all been amazing. I screwed up that 18-incher, but I didn't know how to get those Y bones. Now I know how to, you know how it is. One little bone in there, but that's the first one out of 2. Man. And yes, Jenny, I went and voted. How I vote is my choice. However you vote is yours. Hell yeah to that, right? Just honestly, I don't care how you vote. That is your opinion. I'll fight to the death for you to have that vote. When it comes to me voting, that is my opinion. Well, everybody, I am going to sprinkle some of this Kewpie right here, because I ran out of shells and onions and all that yummy stuff. I put some of this seasoning right on top of that, and I am going to dunk this last one. Look at that. That was a big fish, 19 1/4. There you go. I know y'all sitting here watching me eat, but I was kind of proud of this one. If you've never used pork rinds as a breading, you should give it a try. If you're not looking to cut down on carbs, don't worry about it. But if you're trying to cut down on carbs, oh boy, there went my phone. A makeshift Kewpie holder. There we go. Man, I've gotten pretty good at this, if I don't say so myself. Very good. I know I look like a pig right now, but I was hot. I was sweating all morning. I can't believe I left to put that fish on ice. Then that sauger. Then I went down to the river after retying my line and everything. And then 3rd cast, I pull in that little muskie. It was like maybe 22 inches, if that. And that was it. Then I caught a little rock bass. So that's 3 species. That smoke got me. Woo! I thought I was going to be, the wind changes direction on me again. Yep, 3 species on a white bait. All right, everybody. If I don't see you later, man, smoke. It's worth it. If I don't see you later, you guys keep it tight. Stay low, move fast, shoot first, and always remember, stay salty. We'll see you later. Well, I thought I was throwing another line out before I walked out, and old White Meps got me a 3rd species. Oh, sorry, 4th species. That's saugeye, a muskie, had a rock bass, a little smallie. All right, it counts. We'll see y'all later.